Hello everyone. Today we'll see the difference between a wired infrared module from Milan and a wireless one. So this is also called as Milanity's universal remote control, and this is a wired infrared module. So we'll see the difference between these two products today. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so if you see a wired module, generally the main difference between both the products are this particular wired module uses a wired LAN connection for its communication. So it needs a wired LAN connection for its communication. This is the first thing. And this particular product only works on Wi-Fi. There is no wired communication on this. Okay, so these are the main difference. Next thing is that for transmitting the IR signal, it blasts the IR signal directly up to 8 to 10 meters, whereas this particular thing uses a probe, something like this. This is a probe which will be used for this type of wired infrared module. Okay, so these are the two different. The first is that the blaster uses a Wi-Fi communication protocol, and this particular thing uses LAN, wired protocol. Okay, so these are the main difference. Now if you see the pros and cons of this particular thing, yes, this particular thing will be quite more stable because it uses a wired LAN connection, as well as the IR signal which is emitted by this particular product goes directly to the receiver end by using this type of probes. So whereas in this type of products the thing is getting blasted and they need a line of sight. Okay, so this can be kept at any place in a closed place, and a wire can be run from there to the receiver point and it will work. But for this type of things, it needs a clear line of sight. Without line of sight, these products will not work. So these are the main things you have to remember. And the next thing is that yes, the advantage in this particular thing is, as we all know, that it doesn't require any wired LAN connection. So anywhere, if you get just a power, we can just put this particular product there, and if the another receiving end is on a line of sight, maybe a TV or a projector or whatever it is, if it is on a line of sight, then yes, we can just place it on a table, fix it on a ceiling, or fix it on a wall, or anywhere. So just you need a power. So this is the main advantage in this, which is not there in a wired option. Okay, and yes, it needs a line of sight again. So that is another, you can say, because of this particular thing, if there is a TV and you are keeping this on a back wall, and in between if somebody is standing, it may not work, because in between it will be an obstacle. Okay, so if there is an obstacle in between, it may not work. Sometimes the signal can miss, but here this will not be the case. Okay, so these are the few difference you can say. So I'll just summarize the thing. First is, this particular thing works on a 12 volt DC supply, and it works on a wired LAN communication, and it has wired probe to transmit the IR signals to the devices. And this particular thing, it works on 5 volt DC supply, it works on a Wi-Fi communication, and it uses a wireless or a blaster technique to blast the IR signal to the devices like TV or anything. Okay, and this particular thing can be kept at any place, in a hidden place, because of the wired connection and the wired IR signal. And this particular thing should be in an open place because it needs a line of sight. These are the main difference, and as per your requirement, as per your site condition, you can decide that which products fits the best for you, and you can just go for any one of the product. Thank you.